Apple Vision Pro can go and take a backseat because Samsung is ready to take on the virtual and mixed reality world with its new headset, Project Moohan. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the latest tech updates. While Apple's Vision Pro costs a whopping $3,499, Samsung is offering a powerful device with amazing visuals at a lower price, known as Project Moohan. At the core, Project Moohan is Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 2 chip, specially made for VR and mixed reality devices. Samsung isn't just using the same tech as Meta's Quest 3, but it's improved it to deliver even better performance. What makes Project Moohan stand out is its incredible screen. It has a 1.3-inch micro OLED panels with a super high resolution of about 13.64 million pixels per eye. That's way more than Apple's Vision Pro and Meta's Quest 3. This means clearer, sharper images and richer colors for a truly out-of-this-world experience. The price is expected to be between $1,799 and $2,999, cheaper than Apple, but more expensive than Meta, showing Samsung wants to compete in the high-end market without being too pricey. Pre-order starts September 29, 2025, with a launch in South Korea on October 13th and worldwide on October 21st. The VRs are taking over the world in gaming and work, and Project Moohan could be the next big deal. Samsung's October launch will show if they can become a top player in this exciting new tech space. The race for the best XR headset is about to commence. Are you excited for Samsung's XR? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.